Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Now we are on lesson number 3, working with Windows. Okay, so our lesson number 3 is working with Windows 7. Now what is this Windows 7? It's a operating system. It's an operating system. Okay. As you all know, computer is a machine which cannot think on its own and require instructions from us. Okay. The most important program of computer is your operating system. Means if operating system is not there, your computer won't be working. Okay. These are the icons for operating system. Now operating system is a medium through which we can interact with hardware using your software. If your computer is having hardware, we have learned about hardware and software. So operating system is a medium through which we can interact with hardware and software. It controls all the activities of computer. Means if you save the file, if you delete the file, everything will be operated by your operating system. There are various types of operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. Windows is a graphical user interface and graphical user interface को हम short में क्या बोलते हैं? GUI means what? We can interact, we can use computer through graphics, like icons are there, this is your graphics, like you are using the mouse, you are clicking it, so this is your graphical user interface. Okay. Now one fact file. Who is he? Yes, Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft. He developed Windows for general purpose computer system. Now we will talk about features of Windows 7. Means what Windows 7 is exactly doing and what are the features. So the first version of Windows was your Microsoft Windows 95, which was released in year 1995. Since then, many versions of Windows have been released. The most popular version of Windows are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7 and Windows 8, and now it's Windows 10 also. Now the fact file, Microsoft Windows 8, it's not latest version. Microsoft Windows 10 is your latest version. Okay. Actually, this is your not 8. Windows 10 is your latest version of Windows. Okay. Now features of Windows 7. Windows 7, is operating system, has become very popular because of following features. Windows is attractive and easy to use. Why it is popular? Because it is attractive and easy to use. Different colorful themes are there. Then your slideshows are there. It is very easy to use Windows 7. The use of graphics make it very popular. It works the way we want and make new things possible. Yes. In Windows 7, searching is very easier. Easy searching feature is there. You can easily search your files in a computer using your Windows 7. Windows 7 taskbar. This down bar is your taskbar. Okay, it is very useful. More flexible and application oriented. This is your taskbar. Yes, you can pin your favorite programs on the taskbar. Like here Mozilla Firefox is pinned, Flash is pinned. So you can also pin your program. The new arrow peak feature. Now what is this arrow peak feature? When you are when you are going to click it here, this area, okay, at the corner, you will be seeing your windows will become transparent and you are able to see your window. That is arrow peak. Yes. What we have to do, this part is arrow peak. See, this part is your arrow peak. When you click it there, your windows will become transparent and you are able to see desktop. Windows support multitasking. Multitasking means what? When we are going to do multiple tasks, means many tasks at the same time. That is known as your multitasking. So you can play a song and you can type also at the same time. You can copy and paste your files at the same time. So Windows is doing many tasks at the same time. That is multitasking. So Windows 7 can perform more than one task at a time. Yes, example, we can type letter while enjoying your music. Now your second feature is your jump list. Okay. Now what is this jump list? When you open your programs, the frequent programs will be pinned in your taskbar. That is known as your jump list. This is a new feature which takes us straight to the document, picture, songs or web pages. Now to open the jump list, right click on the program button. Like if you want to see what you have opened in an Internet Explorer, right click on that. You will be able to see all the programs. If you want to see how many documents you have opened, you can right click on Word. Now starting Windows. So before doing this we will be doing in the next week. What you have to do practical, if you are having Windows 7, then do it. Otherwise you do it in Windows 10. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to see the arrow peak feature, then you have to see the start button, then you have to observe the jump list. Okay, so bye bye for now, take care, stay home, goodbye.